What's up, everyone? It's Guy here with another crypto video. Happy holidays. Today is New Year Eve, 31st. I just want to give you an update before the end of the year. Basically, hopefully flying high in 2022, or basically hoping to bring in a new year, and next year will be a blast as well. So, alright, guys. If you new to the channel, please, or if you haven't already liked and subscribed to my channel, please do so. Minority Thinker. I'm at 782. Again, my goal was to get to 1,000, but seems to be unlikely. But if I can get to 800, that'd be awesome too. For those that recently subscribed, I really appreciate it, and give me some encouragement that I'm doing the right video. I'm doing the right path here to moving forward. But without further ado, let's get to my update of my Wonderland until the end of the year. Guys, that is it. Let's get to the video. Alright, guys, this is Wonderland update video. Current price, we're sitting at 38.11, and let's go down to calculator. Currently I'm at 3.79. So again, I was throughout this whole process, I've been adding adding more position as it drops. And recently it did drop when there was a sell-off a couple times here at let me see here. This is Dex Screener. It went up. This is Bitcoin index here. It was at 51. It went all the way down to close to 45. So I was able to add some positions there. The good news for time is that it holding strong with the that's a good news. I believe it drops low to 3,443 here. This is the past 5 days. So yeah, it's if you bull on Bitcoin, bull on Ethereum, and if you're and they follow the trends of those two, obviously most if not all the crypto and altcoins and stuff like that follow that trend as well. But it followed that trend nicely. So there's a resistance here at 3,500. So it's good to see. Again, I'm in position ready when it dip or the sell off. I'll add more position to it because I'm pretty long and bull on it. So my previous video show you how you can leverage your crypto holding to basically exchange or to collateralize for MIMS, so you don't have to sell your crypto, but you can collateralize it and then add to your time staking. So watch that video if that's something that you like to explore. So another good news out of Wonderland. There seems to be good news everywhere, but good news that I was yesterday it hit 500,000 or 500,000 stakers. So now it's went at 34. So you can see that's huge. Past day, I took a screenshot of it. Yeah, I took a screenshot of it. Yesterday's at 500 staker. Looks like just yesterday the current API yesterday was 70. Now the current API went up. Treasury balance went up. API went up. Everything went up. As market kind of has a little bit of a pump here, an uptrend here. So that's good news. 500 staker, now it's 534 staker. That's a great news. Is that people are coming back to Wonder. There's going to be a mass adoptions. Won't blame them because I'm pretty bull on this. I'm bull on Wonderland as well as its whole ecosystem. They recently did an AMA on how Daniele was going to restructure sushi and add into the Wonderland ecosystem. Just refresh. This is the ecosystem that previously I made a video on. This is a huge ecosystem, and sushi is part of it. And there's going to be a few things that I saw. Some exciting news for 2022. Obviously the whole ecosystem is growing massively. That's great news. Along with that, I saw a tweet that. Okay, here it is, guys. This tweet right here. So, by Jeannie. Basically, I had and believe in Daniela and Seafood Time has been making moves. So the talk is that sports betting platform nods as a service, Treasure Capital Management. Here's good news: sports betting platform in 2 weeks. So basically, sport betting is adding to the go down here. Glad Times price coming back up and blah blah blah. REBASE. So someone asked a question: what are your thoughts on us ever revisiting 8 to 10K levels again? Possible. I believe we will regain those levels when the rebase mechanism has been modified. We're using Ohm Tech to bootstrap the protocol as we find it efficient for raising capital in DeFi environment. As the tech is designed to rebase everyone down to $1, and we don't the same goals of reserve dollar as Ohm. This is not expected to continue in this manner forever. So again, he also had down here is edited it. So he basically not just tweeted it out just for the purpose of tweeting it or Discord it, but he also edited it. So that's great news, guys. We're not following Ohms in the sense that, I mean, you see Ohms, you see the Olympus DAOs, it's not looking good. It's tanking. It's the original DAOs. But good thing is that Wonderland Time is not following that. Along with that, it has a huge, massive ecosystem, and the rebase system is basically a mechanism to attract people for mass adoptions. So once mass adoptions and increase the treasury, the script will flip, because the rebase system, it's in essence, it does not reward long time stakers, in my opinion. The price does. The price of time does. And basically, it will rebase down to $1, basically. So it's dilute the time and the value. So staker in the end will lose if the rebase continue, like what the Ohms is doing in the rebasing. So I hope that Sifu has a game plan of, changing that to find to modify the mechanism. I think hopefully we'll get to vote on that, because what I've seen is that a lot of people are with big wallet come in and out for a few days to take the rebase and get out of their time. So they just using time as a rebase mechanism, or speculative, or not even, I don't think even investors, but big time wallet. I mean, I'm talking about millions, if not more, coming in, pump 100, 200 plus $1,000 into time for a few days and then pull it out, just take the rebase. Because how the rebate works is that it will incentivize those types of behavior, and that behavior is not good for long term. Like us, as a long term staker, we believe in time and also the ecosystem behind it that will reward. I have a hint that it will reward time staker, because we're the bank, we're treasury, right? We're the treasury. So So maybe less of the APY. I'm sorry. So less of the rebase, so that folks don't and pull out, and it will basically fluctuates. That's why I see a lot of fluctuations. That's what happened. Is that people, buying in, and then when it goes up, they'll take it out. They'll get the rebase as well as speculating on the price too as well. So right now they're gaining the price. I see it went up. What I'm seeing, I'm watching these. I'm constantly watching the decks. I'm pretty sure Seafood and the tech team behind watching the in and out of purchases is that there's a massive. Obviously, on top of that is the adoptions too. 500,000 people are on board. More than 500,000 people are on board right now, stakers. So again, this is huge, because if you take out the rebase, you don't have the speculative, the piggy bank types of coming in, and then for a few days they pull out and they'll basically crash the price. So price will go back in this level. Long time holder, take out the rebase and incentivize people, a long time staker, with the APY. APY and APY incentivized by basically the ecosystem, the feeds and all the such, the profits from the ecosystem, in essence, like the DEX exchange, the collateralized lending fees and such, got distributed through the whole system and all the stakeholders. I think that's where they're going to implement towards that. And once the repays get modified or get rid of, then that's when we see the rewards, guys. So right now there's a lot of folks that are coming in and out with big fat wallet that basically crashing the price at this juncture. So right now, guys, not to worry about the price right now. Okay, I think that's what Daniel didn't really say that, but he said that it's all the projects, the successful ones, based on the community. If you have a huge community, that's where the money's at. Okay, so I know sometimes we're all fixated on numbers, but I want to encourage you, don't fixate on this number. But when it's low, I would say to purchase in, to stake in. Again, it's not a financial advisor, but this is what I do. I've been staking more as time drop at a certain price. If there's another drop, in the below the 35, I'll stake more. Okay. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you like my content. Again, do like and subscribe to my channel. Happy New Year. Cheers.